Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my last two Jeffree Star Halloween mystery boxes. I have the premium and deluxe box here to unbox for you guys. I did already do an unboxing video on the Supreme box. If you guys want to watch that video, I'll have it linked in my description box below. And then I'll also have it linked up here in the cards. So before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I'm doing a huge giveaway right now. You guys do not want to miss out on that. That will also be linked in my description box below, and then I'll have a card up here on the screen towards the end of the video if you guys want to see all of the prizes. Today's post notification shout out goes to Matrini. Thank you so much for having your notifications turned on. If you want to be the next shout out in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have notifications turned on, and that's it. It's super easy. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm first going to be unboxing the premium box. So the price of this box was $40 and it has 4 items in it, and they say that this box has a value of $82. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. So the first thing is this, which is bubble wrapped, and I'm assuming it's the same thing that I got in my Supreme box. So I just unwrapped it a little bit, and yes, it is the same palette. So this is the mini breaker palette. I'll probably end up putting this one in like a giveaway or something because I don't need another one of these, but I do think it's really cool that this came in like the smallest box. I don't know if he's ever put like eyeshadow palettes in a mystery box before, so yeah, I think this is really cool. So the next thing that came in this box is this bullet lipstick right here. This is one of the lip ammunitions, and this is in the shade Brown Sugar. So this looks like it's a wearable shade, which is always nice. I love the packaging of this one. This is from the summer collection, and here is what this shade looks like. I did think it was wearable, but it's actually like a metallic shade. It looks like a metallic bronzy shade. I would probably not wear a shade like this, so this might be in a giveaway for you guys. And then the next thing that came in the box is a Velour liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Cherry Wet, which is a pretty popular shade. I believe I have heard of this one before. Ooh, this one is really pretty. It's like not red, but then not pink. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a very reddish pink. So this shade looks really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one because I am gonna be keeping it. Yeah, I definitely like this shade. This will be perfect for the spring and summertime. And then the last thing that came in the premium box is another Velour liquid lipstick, and this is one of the limited edition Halloween shades. In the Supreme box, I got one of these as well, but it was a different shade. This is in the shade Soul Sucker, which is like a sparkly black. So this is definitely like a Halloween shade. It looks like it's black with like orange and gold little flecks of glitter in here, which is super fun. All right, so now we're moving on to the deluxe box. This box is pretty big. So the price of this box was $75. It says it contains 8 items, and the value of this box is $186. So we're gonna go ahead and open this one now. All right, so the first thing is this. I'm assuming this is another mini breaker palette. I don't even know if I want to open this up because it's wrapped so cute, but what if it's not? I'm gonna go ahead and just open it up because I don't want it to not be what I think it is. All right, so yes, we do have another mini breaker palette. So all 3 boxes had one of these in it. So if you got all 3 of these, that's kind of like, ugh, that you're getting the same product, but I do think it's nice to get an eyeshadow palette in the boxes. All right, so the next thing, this is so exciting, you guys. This is a Skin Frost, and this is in the shade Mystery Frost. So this is another limited edition item that's only in the Halloween mystery boxes. Love the orange and black packaging. And then it has the regular like Jeffree Star pink packaging, and then on the back, it is orange and black with the shade name. And then here is what the shade looks like. This looks so cool, you guys. I don't know if I even want to touch it because I don't know if I'm keeping this or not, but it looks like it'll be a really pretty like champagne gold shade. So next up I have a liquid frost. I did get one of these in the summer mystery boxes. This one is in the shade Goddess, which looks like it's kind of like a deep bronzy shade, which is probably going to be too dark for my skin tone. So I'll probably put this in a giveaway, but I am going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, so this is a bronze shade. This is really pretty, but definitely too dark for me. So the next thing I got, ooh, I'm really excited about this. So I got one of his lip glosses, and this is in the shade Sky High. That kind of looks like it's a blue, but I have always wanted to try one of these. This is so pretty. It looks like it's a clear gloss, but with like little blue flecks in it. Ooh, okay, so there it is swatched on my hand. It actually almost kind of looks green whenever it's swatched. So that's really pretty. I'm really excited to try this out. So I have 2 more lip products that I got in this box. I got another lip ammunition from the summer collection. This is in the shade Candy Freeze, which looks like it's a kind of like bright metallic pink shade. Wow, so this is definitely like a bright Barbie pink. I don't know if I would ever wear this shade either. I'm not really into like super metallic lipsticks, so yeah, I'll probably just give this one away. And then I got another Velour liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade, this is in the shade Soft Serve. This does look like a wearable shade, so I am excited. Yes, it's like a really pretty peachy pink nude. Ooh, I love this one. Here is that swatched on my hand. I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this shade, so I'm really excited about that one. So next up in the box is a t-shirt. I'm so excited. I loved the t-shirt that I got in the summer box. It was black and then had like a neon yellow logo. And then on the back it said, "Hi, how are ya?" I love that shirt. So this just says, "Can't relate," and it's like in Halloween colors. It has a little skeleton hand. It's so cute. I'm actually like super excited about the t-shirt. I think this is adorable. And then the last thing that came in this box, I already know what it is because I got one in my Supreme box. This is another one of the limited edition orange and black like Halloween mirrors. This is really exciting to get in this box because this one was like a little bit more affordable. So if you guys got this box, you did get one of these mirrors, which is really nice. I love this. I have always wanted one of these. It feels like nice and heavy. So yeah, this is really exciting. So now that I've unboxed all 3 of my mystery boxes, I can say which one was definitely my favorite. The best mystery box that I think that I got was the deluxe box, which was like the mid-range box. That box was the $75 box where we got the mirror, the t-shirt, the limited edition skin frost. I got one of the lip glosses, which I'm so excited about. So yeah, that one was definitely my favorite. I think that the premium box was like just okay, definitely not the best. And then I did like the Supreme box, but I did get a lot of shades that were not like very wearable. So yeah, the deluxe was definitely my favorite. If you guys got any of the Jeffree Star Halloween mystery boxes, please let me know in the comments down below what you guys got in your box. I'm sure that there were different variations between colors of like lipstick shades and things like that. So yeah, overall I feel like these were the best mystery boxes that I've ever gotten or seen from Jeffree Star. I cannot wait until the next ones come out. I'll definitely be filming unboxing videos when those come out. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys go enter that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. The card will be up here on the screen if you guys want to go watch the video and see all of the prizes. And before you leave, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.